In this video, I'll show you how you can unlock CFD trading on eToro. Now it's actually a pretty simple process. So what you want to do is you want to head over to eToro or use the eToro app, sign into your account, and then what you want to do is you want to make sure that your account is fully verified. So make sure you have uploaded all for the KYC, and once you make sure that you're fully verified, you want to make sure that you complete the trading assessment. So once you've completed that, and you can find that inside of the settings, you will then be able to get the CFD after you've done the risk disclosure. So once you've done all three of these, you can get the CFD. After doing all three, usually it's already there, but if you don't see it, you can go to the help center and then you can contact the support, and then you can request for it, and they can unlock it if you still don't see it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.